My name is Dorset, and this is my bike check. We've got a Merit option slide wall tire in the front, blue, 2.35. We've got a Cinema DX front hub replaced to a Cinema 333 wheel, and a G-Sport hub guard with the Odyssey M peg. Metals, they suck. We've got blue ODI Super Softs, best grips I've ever ridden, with their stock barings. A Primo Sean Arcani front load stem. It's nice. Got an Odyssey Pro headset in gold. Got the Colt IC fork. It's like the T3 in chrome. A stock Aro frame. It's holding up. I'm getting a new one for Christmas. Primo rebar bars in chrome, 8.7 rise. A Primo Pivotal Max seat with an animal seat post. Got stock Haro cranks. They suck. They creak all the time. Get new ones soon. Odyssey Twisty PC pedals in blue. I've got Odyssey guard sprocket in chrome, polished with like some kind of, it's a stolen chain. I don't know the name of it. It's blue too. Got another Odyssey MPEG in the back with a Colt free coaster and a Merit option slide wall tire.